Now, we already have the face recognition code. So we need to convert this code into a code that unlocks a door if it detected a face, a known face, let's say. So we will do this by simply duplicating this file. So right click and copy this file. Let's paste it here, rename the file to door face door lock. Now here is our new file. The first step is enabling the general purpose input output on our, let's say, Raspberry Pi. So write import rpi.gpio as GPIO, which is basically the Raspberry Pi general purpose input output pins. Now let's give the relay a pin number. So write relay equal 18, 17, or 16, anything. Then GPIO dot set warnings to false. We don't want to see any warnings. GPIO dot set mode to the PCM mode. And if you know Raspberry Pi, you must know the PCM mode, which is basically a method for numbering the pins. Now we also have the GPIO dot setup. We want to set up the relay pin as output. So GPIO dot out, and we need to make it low when it started to make sure that it is off. So output GPIO relay, GPIO dot low. That's it. Now we imported the input output library. We added the relay pin number. We disabled the warnings. We set the pin mode. We set the specific relay pin as output, and we make it low at the beginning. Now the next change that we need to make is scrolling down to this area. Now if true in matches for, now before the in, so let's go inside here. We need to write our code that will unlock the door if it detected a face and if this if statement is true. So unlock door. Now GPIO dot output the relay will be high. GPIO dot high. And after that, we need to, now let's take account of the time. So previous brev time equal time dot time. After that, door unlock equal true, which is simply a variable, a Boolean variable that we are making. After that, we need to print door unlock to make sure that we have something to show on the console window. Once we are done with that, we need also to change another area in our code or to add additional code for the door lock and unlock. Now we have the unlock. We need to add something for locking the door if the face recognized is not a known face. Now scroll down to the name.append name section here, and above the for loop, write an if statement. Now if door unlock equal true and time minus previous time is more than 5, which is basically 5 seconds, then we need to lock the door. So door unlock will equal, we have to add a space here, door unlocked will equal false, and GPIO.output for the relay will be low. So we will lock the door again, and we will print door lock. Now, let me explain this line. If the door unlock is true, so if the door was unlocked for more than 5 seconds, so if the timer counted more than 5 seconds, we needed to set the door unlock variable to false and lock the door again. Because we don't want the door to stay open all the time. We just need it to be opened for 5 seconds. Now, otherwise, the door will be locked, and these are the only things that we need to do to make this code work for unlocking doors using face or using face recognition system. Now, let's copy the code and see if we have any problems or errors. Let's go to the VNC and let's create a new file, paste the code, and let's save it in the same folder. Let's call it door underscore unlock.py. Here it is. Now we can run it from here, or we can run it using the command window. If you want to run it using the command window, you can simply do that by writing cd and the folder name, which is face recognition. And from here, you can write Python and door underscore unlock.py. Now here we have an error, which is basically invalid syntax on this line. If door unlock equals true and time. Okay, let's go back. Let's check this line. Okay, we have to change the signs here. It's again a copy and paste issue with the encoding, so we need to go up a little bit. Okay, here we have the minus sign that caused the error. Where is it? Okay, maybe we have it down. Okay, this is the door unlock and this is the sign. We have minus. Let me check. Oh, I missed the end of the if statement. Okay, let's save it again. Now let's go back to the console window. Run the Python code again. Now, as you can see, we are running the Python code, and here we have the set warnings has no attribute called set warnings. So let's make sure that we don't have any spelling errors here. Okay, let's go back. We have this in small letter, not in capital. So let's again run. Now, to be honest, I could have just hidden all of these mistakes while editing the video, but I prefer like going through these mistakes with my students because you will learn from your mistakes. Now we have another spelling error, which is the relay. Because maybe I'm typing fast, we are making all of these errors, but I don't like wasting time, like typing slowly. Now everything should be good to go. Starting video stream, as you can see, and it directly recognized my face. Now, as you can see on the screen, it's saying door unlock, unlock, unlock. It means that the anything that you have connected to pin number 16 will turn on if it is a LED or solenoid with a relay module or anything. So it's basically wiring, but I'm using my face and we are debugging using the text on screen. So I can hide my face to show you what will happen. Now it will wait for 5 seconds, then it will show you door locked, as you can see on the window. Here you can see the door locked line. Now if I showed my face again, it will unlock the door again. Now let's stop this. Now we can also run it from the Thonny Python editor, and it will do the same thing. It will start the video stream, it will detect my face, as you can see, Ashraf, and it will print door unlock. Now once done, we can easily hide our face, and it will print door locked after 5 seconds. That's it. This is how easy it is to make a door lock face recognition system. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any questions, I would be more than happy to answer all of your concerns.